How's it, guys, and welcome back to another video in this talk show. If you're watching for the first time, my name is Dixon. I am the host of this talk show in this YouTube channel. So if you don't mind, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also make sure you turn on post notification bell so that whenever I create videos you get to receive notifications. If you are a returning subscriber, then thank you so much for tuning in again into this channel. So in today's video we just want to talk based on what Tuno posted on her Facebook page, saying being a talented in my own country but not being appreciated. You see how great I am when I die. Now I understand why too many talented musicians give up. One day I also give up. Just know I tried. Yo guys, this is what Tuno said, but a disclaimer before we go deep into the video, that whatsoever I'm going to say here, it doesn't mean that I hate Tuno, or maybe whatsoever that I'm going to say, it's not that I'm going to put my focus on Tuno. I know that everything that happens, it happens for a reason, and whatsoever that I'll be saying in this talk show, I don't say specifically to a certain person, but we say it to motivate people, to inspire people to be on that top. It takes a lot of sacrifice. It takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of energy, a lot of sacrifice to be on top. It's not something that just happens. If you've seen someone who is on top overnight, those people, it took them a lot of work on the background. Don't be deceived when you see people being successful. It takes a lot of work. So Tuno, if you're watching me right now, I want to encourage you, work hard. Don't even think of quitting. Don't think of maybe saying people are going to appreciate me when I die. No, people, they're already appreciating you, the gift that you have, the talent that you have. As a matter of fact, what you have, someone is praying for it. There are people right now, they are fasting, they are praying just to be having whatsoever you have, the gift that you have, even the things that you possess. Someone else is praying for that thing, is on top of the mountain fasting and praying, crying to God that God, give me to be having maybe exact thing that you have right now. So if you say people don't appreciate you, if you say people don't support you, you are just lying. You are lying to yourself. People are appreciating you. People, they are proud of you. You know, you even have 20k followers on your page. Myself, I don't even have even 5k followers on my Facebook page, but I'm proud. I know that my day is going to come when everyone else is going to be proud of me. I'm not giving up. I'm gonna create content. I'm going to be proud of myself, even if it means that I don't have anything. And I'm gonna keep on creating content. And I know that a day is going to come when also my hard work is going to pay off. Yo guys, if you're also watching me, maybe you are into business, whether you are into anything else, whether you are working, whatsoever you are doing, just be proud of yourself and work hard, and know that a day is going to come that you're going to break it. And guys, this is all that I had for you in today's talk show. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give it a like. If you didn't enjoy, don't forget to give also a dislike. Whatever we are going to do, I'm going to appreciate. Most importantly, leave something in the comment section below. You don't lose anything. Even if you just type a full stop, whether you just type a fire emoji or a smiling emoji, whatsoever you're going to put it, you lose nothing. Leave it in the comment section. I'm going to appreciate. And also, if you don't mind, please follow me on Facebook and also follow my Instagram account. I'm going to appreciate. Otherwise, thank you so much for being there, and as always, cheers and God bless.